Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a nice time. Today I will be taking you to a new desert bar that has an amazing concept, and to know more about it all you have to do is keep watching the video till the end and I will catch you guys on the other side. So here I am, and if you're coming via car you have to come from that side, that's from the AC market area, and if you're coming via bus you can come from this side. This is the Exide area and it's going to be much easier for you to locate My Froyoland. This is My Froyoland's first ever outlet here in Kolkata that is located at Lord Sinha Road. I will be giving you the detailed address in my video description, so make sure to watch the entire video and check out the video description. The speciality of this place is you can make and customize your own desserts and choose from 42 different kind of flavors that are available out here. And this is the topping section. They've got a huge topping section. Here you've got jujubes, gems, and those rainbow sprinkles, those heart-shaped sprinkles as well. And these are some other kind of toppings. This is the fruit mix. This is on a heavier side. And then you have got red velvet cake that is crushed and kept out here, and you also have got a brownie that is eggless, so you can add both. You can add anything you want to your dessert. I will also show you how to make it. And this is the other section of the toppings. Here you have got the marshmallows, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, rice krispies, and you also have got chocolate sauce and Nutella. So you can choose from 42 different flavors, and I will show you how to make it. This is how you actually make it. You just take a cup. You can take the big one, the small one. You can also take the cup that has the waffle cones in it. And this is the first flavor. Okay, then I will go for the second flavor. I'll try to give you the name of the flavor if I can remember it. This is a chocolatey flavor, and basically what I am doing is I am mixing all the flavors together. Okay, so as I said, you can customize. You can add as many flavors as you want in the cup. So yes, there's something else she's adding, and yes, I will show you who this person is who is making the cup and why I am filming and I'm not making it for myself. So I will show you. Wait, so here I have got my sister with me. She is making the other cup. So yeah, say hi. Okay, she said hi. So actually she is making the cup because the first one I made was just with red velvet, and then I asked her to make something for herself as well. So she said I will mix all the flavors, and I thought, okay, why not make the video now, because it's going to look much more colorful. Mine just had a red velvet, nothing else. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you can just take one flavor. You can add as many flavors as you want in it, because you just pay by the weight, and I will show you how they weigh it and everything. So if you want to try all the 42 flavors out, you can do that. Take a bigger bowl and add little all in one bowl, and then you can go crazy with the toppings basically. And this is one of our favorite section because you have got the dry fruits and marshmallow out here. So she wants to add a marshmallow. Actually, even I asked her to add it because I'm going to be tasting it as well. So she's struggling to get it out. Okay, yeah, they do not have the colored ones. It's over, so they just have got a plain and simple one. So we'll go with this, not a problem. As far as the marshmallow is there, it's okay. So this kind of looks cute and colorful. Now she is deciding which one. Okay, she wants a dark chocolate. She doesn't want the white one because she said it will not look good. So she's going for this. Let's see what next. Okay, she is. Okay, there were fruits, but we didn't go for the fruits. You can take the fresh fruits also. It's cut in that place that I did show you. The fruit mix was there. You can add fresh fruits also. So here you also have those rice krispies. I really like that. She is adding that. And then you also have the dust, biscuit dust and Oreo dust. So she is planning to add both, I think so. Yeah, and this does look good. The best part is I just can't wait to try it. Though she made it for herself, I'm going to make another one for myself. But I want to just dig into her, dessert bowl. And it looks like you have got everything out here. So this is it. And then she is planning to add, I think so, some either dark chocolate or she will go for the caramel drizzle. You can add anything you want, as I said. And she was a bit confused, like whether she wanted to add the chocolate or the dark chocolate, but she went for the caramel. So yeah, the caramel one looks really good. And her entire dessert bowl, I am calling this a dessert bowl, it looks amazing. And now place it on this is a weighing machine, and you will see the weight, and then they will charge you according to the weight. So you can add as many flavors as you want, not an issue there. So this costs near around 245 rupees. Okay, so yeah, it's somewhere. I will just mention it to you what's the per gram weight that they charge. And I think she wants to add something else. Okay, she wanted to add a bit of Nutella. So, okay, we'll add that. The struggle is real, guys. Okay, and yeah, this is the final thing. And let's. How do you like it? She likes it. Okay, that's good. Now, I should give a taste to my dessert as well. So, let's quickly do that. Okay, this was really yummy. I hope you guys have watched the entire vlog and I hope you loved it. So if you loved it, make sure to press the thumbs up button, comment down below, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. The links will be down in the description. And there will be more amazing videos that are going to be coming up pretty soon on my channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure to follow me on Insta because there are going to be some amazing giveaways coming up pretty soon, as well as we have got some amazing videos and stories out there. So till then, keep clicking with your soul and I will catch you guys pretty soon in my next vlog.